Today, a war of words has broken out after the government has decided to appoint retired Supreme Court Judge S Abdul Nazeer, who was part of the 2019 Ayodhya verdict, as the governor of Andhra Pradesh. The opposition leaders have trained their guns at the centre, alleging that Justice Nazeer was being rewarded by the Modi government for delivering verdicts in their favour. In fact, some of the leaders went as far as to say that this was just a reward for him working for Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
It also raises so many questions of the independence of the judiciary. Judiciary should be absolutely independent, and people of the country should have confidence our judiciary is independent. According to one report, more than 60% retired judges, they get government job. It is unfortunate.
कि ऐसा तोहफा भविष्य में और कितने सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जजेस को बीजेपी आरएसएस की सरकार देने जा रही है। एक तरफ तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट को कंट्रोल करने में लॉ मिनिस्टर से लेके बीजेपी आरएसएस का जो हथकंडा है वो टाइट हो रहा है, जिसके चलते सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जज सड़क पे आके प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहा है। और अब जो फेवरेबल सरकारों के जो जजमेंट हैं उनको देने वालों को एक ऐसी नज़ीर पेश की जा रही है।
इंसाफ जब किया जाता है तो उसमें अपना पराया, ऊंच नीच, छोटा बड़ा, तेरा मेरा कुछ नहीं देखा जाता है। जस्टिस नज़ीर साहब को राजपाल बना दिया गया। अब सोशल मीडिया पे और बाकी जगह पे चल रहा है कि उनको उनके दो फैसलों के लिए, एक बाबरी मस्जिद पे जो फैसला आया उसके लिए, और दूसरा जो नोटबंदी पे उन्होंने क्लियरेंस और क्लीन चिट दी है उसके लिए।
And in order to bolster their argument, Congress leaders pulled out an old speech by Arun Jaitley of the BJP himself on the floor of the House. Congress General Secretary Ram Ramesh dug out an old video of Jaitley where he had once said that pre-retirement judgments were influenced by post-retirement jobs.
Pre-retirement judgments are influenced by the desire of a post-retirement job.
Former Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir High Court, Justice Bashir Khan, also waded into the controversy, questioning the judge's appointment after retirement, and said that judges mustn't make compromises for such positions.
Lately, we have been seeing former Chief Justices falling for small things like a Rajya Sabha seat, deciding a very important and crucial judgment of, for example, Ayodhya a month back, and next month falling for a Rajya Sabha seat, and now this judge falling again for a governor's position. What's happening? Now, what are people going to think about it? These things raise suspicions. It is not necessary that it may be a quid pro quo between a Ayodhya judgment and the governorship. That may not be the case.
Now, the BJP has hit back at the opposition and the critics for questioning the appointment of Andhra Governor. BJP National General Secretary B.L. Santosh said that the ecosystem believes that Abdul Nazeer's biggest sin was the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi judgment. The BJP also questioned the opposition, asking if they were resisting the appointment because he belonged to the minority community.
There is a lot of unemployed congressmen who react on issues which are serious consequences. A member of the minority has been given one of the highest posts in the state as the governor. And just because he was in the judiciary, they question his credentials, his integrity. It's shocking that Congress party that talks about protection of minority, when a minority person has been appointed the governor of Andhra Pradesh, they react the way. Are they anti-minority? Are they against the Muslims of this country?
So is the elevation about merit, or is it a reward for favourable verdicts, quote unquote, as the opposition puts it? To understand that, I'm now joined by Ashwini Kumar Dubey, who's a Supreme Court advocate himself, as well as IP Singh of the Samajwadi Party is also on the broadcast. Mr. Singh, पहली बात तो ये बताइए कि क्या इकलौती चीज जो इनके खिलाफ जाती है अब्दुल नजीर के, वो यही है कि वो एक ऐसे वर्डिक्ट का हिस्सा थे विच पीपल सी वाज प्रो बीजेपी?
देखिए, जस्टिस यस अब्दुल नजीर को लेके जो सवालात खड़े हो रहे हैं, जो इंडियन डेमोक्रेसी है उसमें न्यायपालिका की बड़ी अहम भूमिका होती है। आप हो सकता है कि आप जो भी फैसले ले रहे हो वो फैसले किसी से भी प्रभावित हो सकते हैं, और इसीलिए समाजवादी पार्टी ये कहती है कि बीजेपी और कांग्रेस एक सिक्के के दो पहलू हैं। जब कांग्रेस की सरकार थी इसी तरह से फैसले होते थे, इसी तरह से राज्यपाल बनाने का या तमाम ऐसे चुनाव आयोग से लेके ऐसे स्थानों पर लोग बिठाए जाते थे। आज वही काम बीजेपी कर रही है। जब सवाल खड़े हो रहे हैं तो न्यायपालिका से जुड़े हुए जो माननीय जस्टिस महोदय लोग हैं, अगर उनकी ये नियुक्ति होती है तो धीरे धीरे लोकतंत्र कमजोर पड़ जाएगा, और लोकतंत्र में न्यायपालिका की बड़ी अहम भूमिका। अगर न्यायपालिका पर भी सवाल खड़े होंगे, उनके जो जजमेंट आए उनको लेकर अगर जनता के बीच मैसेज आएगा, खुलकर इस तरह बातें होगी, तो निश्चित तौर से देश का लोकतंत्र, जो डेमोक्रेसी है, वो कमजोर होगी। इसलिए ऐसे फैसलों से सरकार को बचना चाहिए। और जो कुछ भी ये हुआ है, जिस तरह से नोटबंदी पर उन्होंने, नोटबंदी से हजारों लोग मर गए, कम से कम 6 महीने तक फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस रही, लोग पैसे के लिए लाइन में मर गए। यहां तक कि उत्तर प्रदेश में एक बच्चा खजांची, वो लाइन में उसकी मां खड़ी थी, वो बच्चा अब 6-7 साल का हो गया। वो खजांची का जन्म हुआ, और तमाम लाठीचार्ज, तमाम इस तरह के हालात हुए। उसके बाद भी नोटबंदी को उन्होंने सही ठहराया। और बीजेपी को जब इस तरह के फैसले लेने होते हैं, तो अभी अरुण जेटली जी को मैं सुन रहा था, और अरुण जेटली जी ने भी यही कहा, उनका भी यही मानना था। जब बीजेपी सत्ता से बाहर थी तो बीजेपी यही सवाल कांग्रेस लेड गवर्नमेंट पर रेज करती थी, वही सवाल आज बीजेपी के सामने अपोजिशन उठा रहा है।
मिस्टर दुबे,
इस तरह के
जज like a Caesar's wife should also be above suspicion. Now when you see that judges are being rewarded, quote unquote, like this, won't it sow seeds of doubt in the minds of the people?
There are many posts in this country which are to be filled by the retired Supreme Court judges or High Court. Like you see the National Human Rights Commission, you see the National Green Tribunal, you see the Company Law Appellate Tribunal. There are many posts. The question which are being raised, why you see Honorable Justice Nazeer by 2 judgments only? There are many judgments. He recognized the right to privacy. Whether the right to privacy is a fundamental right in Justice K.S. Puttaswamy, the 9 judges bench judgment. He was part of the judgment. He was the part of the triple talaq case, upholding he was part of the judgment, the constitution been judgment which has been, he said that the power to identify backward classes for reservation. He was also part of the judgment which scheduled caste status does not travel across the state lines. Why don't you remember Honorable Justice Nazeer for this? He was also part of the judgment that deciding the standard of evidence in bribery cases and clarifying when a new accused can be summoned. One of the finest judgment of Justice Nazeer, upholding the validity and implementation of the demonetization judgment, and upholded by 4-1. And the Ayodhya judgment, the question which is being raised, that was unanimously decided by the 5 judges, and all the judges were the finest judges of the Supreme Court. Our Honorable Chief Justice, current Chief Justice, was also part of the. Then you are raising question on the integrity of each and every judge. This is very bad.
And probably if he wasn't given a post-retirement job, the same people would say that it is because he dissented in the triple talaq case, and it is because the government is going against a judge that belongs to the minority community. However, this is a longer debate. Unfortunately, gentlemen, I've completely run out of time on this broadcast. Thank you for joining me with your viewpoints. We take a very quick break.